Gunmen and bombers attacked restaurants, a concert hall and a sports stadium at locations across Paris on Friday, killing at least 120 people in what a shaken President Francois Hollande called an unprecedented terrorist attack. A Paris City Hall official said gunmen systematically slaughtered nearly 100 people attending a rock concert at the Bataclan Music Hall. Anti-terrorist commandos eventually launched an assault on the building, killed the gunman and rescued dozens of shock survivors. Some 40 other people were killed in up to 5 other attacks in the Paris region, the City Hall official said, including an apparent double suicide bombing outside the National Stadium where Hollande and the German foreign minister were watching a friendly soccer international. Paris Public Prosecutor Francois Molins said the overall death toll was at least 120. 5 assailants had been neutralized. The apparently coordinated assault came as France, a founder member of the U.S.-led coalition waging airstrikes against Islamic State fighters in Syria and Iraq, was on high alert for terrorist attacks ahead of a global climate conference due to open later this month. Read more at Reuters/www.reuters.com/article/2015/11/14/US France shooting ID USKCN 0T22IU20151114 number B7HXTDJS18F3S0.99.
My source of joy, you are my source of strength, you are the creator of everything, you are the giver of life, you are my source of joy. You are my source of strength.